In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Priceline in a quick and simple step-by-step guide. This is a really useful setup if you want to use Priceline inside ChatGPT more efficiently and keep everything connected in one place. I'll walk you through the full process from opening ChatGPT, finding the app settings, searching for Priceline, and completing the connection. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're on the main page, look for your profile icon, usually in the corner of the screen. Click on that profile icon and then select Settings from the menu. This is where ChatGPT keeps all of the account and app connection options, so this is the first place you need to go. After Settings opens, look for the Apps section. Click on Apps to view the available integrations and connected tools. Inside this area, you should see options related to app connections and connectors. Next, click on Add More. This will open the app directory where you can search for the specific service you want to connect. Now use the search bar and type in Priceline. As you type, ChatGPT will filter the results and show the matching app. When Priceline appears in the list, click on it to open the app page. On that page, you'll see the Connect option, so click on Connect to begin linking the app to your ChatGPT account. In some cases, ChatGPT may ask you to confirm the connection one more time. If that happens, just click Connect again to approve it. This extra step helps make sure you really want to give ChatGPT access to that app connection. Once you confirm, the setup process continues. After that, click on New Chat. This is where you can start using the connected app in a fresh conversation. If needed, click the plus icon and then choose the option to find and add more tools or apps. From there, select Priceline again if prompted. Once everything is connected, you should be able to use Priceline through ChatGPT as part of your workflow. And that's it. You've successfully connected ChatGPT to Priceline. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to click, and now you can move forward with a more connected and streamlined setup. If this walkthrough helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.